I'm going to make Veg Tahiri, which is a one-pot rice dish from the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The USP of this dish is that it's superbly delicious and very, very easy. So let's see how. I'm going to start with heating some ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add all the whole spices, 1 whole black cardamom, a star anise, few cinnamon sticks, few cloves, 1 dry bay leaf and some cumin seeds. Saute them for a few seconds. I'm going to add 1 whole green chilli, 2 large shredded onions. Saute them for a few seconds. The onions have caramelized beautifully, and now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add some diced potatoes, some cauliflower florets, one cubed carrot, 1 chopped tomato, green peas. Stir the vegetables properly and cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give the vegetables a good stir, and now time to add the rice. You can use any variety of rice. I'm using Basmati. Next, quickly add all the dry spices. There's coriander and cumin seed powder, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, and just a dash of garam masala. Salt to taste, and add double the quantity of water to rice. Mix everything properly. Cover it and let the rice simmer till it's nicely cooked. Let's check on this. Once the rice is half cooked, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd now. This is optional, it's not compulsory, but I like to do so. So do try this. And if you feel the need to add a little bit of water, you can do so. Give this a light stir. Cover this and let it simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes. The last leg of the cooking time is over, and now I'm going to check it. The rice looks beautifully cooked as well as the vegetables. I'm just going to cover it, turn off the flame, and let it rest for 5 minutes. This dish is packed with vegetable nutrition. You can even add some spinach leaves or even mint leaves. You can serve it with delicious raita or just pickle, and you're good to go. So do try this at home, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.